Hey guys, welcome back. Let's see what has happened since we done this. All right, so on the 15-minute, just want to see something quickly. All right, so on the 15-minute, we thought we are going to pull back and maybe some downside. Obviously, we inversed this. That's also out of it. So, okay, so we write that as equal highs up there. And there's more liquidity to the upside. So if I look at 1 hour, so I'm gonna check. So I want to see if the 1 hour is gonna start turn bullish, maybe. 15-minute looks bullish right now, and yeah, we'll see. 1 minute. All right, so we obviously consolidate. We said that was manipulation, push back, expansion, pull back, but then we obviously went through that. So could maybe see some sort of a pullback here to go higher, or maybe just get stuck in a range here. FOMC tomorrow, so let's see. What do we have here? All right. Manipulation there, so right, let's see. I'm gonna get my camera right here. Go. Right. Right, let's see. Give me 1 minute here. I just want to get a glass of water quickly. All right, so let's see. I'm back. All right, so we say equal lows at 29. This is equal, yes. 2908. Right, so let's see. Okay, so I have put on the Discord the 20 trade challenge that I'm going to start next week, Monday. Feel free to have a look at it. See if I've missed anything. If you guys want me to be more clear on certain things, maybe just pop it in the chat and we can rework it. But yeah, that's what it is, and we'll see how it works out. And I can tell you guys one thing. If I trade that, I'm not going to trade. There might be days where I don't take a trade. So the rules is going to be clear. I'm going to look for, and The rules talk about consolidation, manipulation, expansion. That doesn't mean I'm going to take each and every consolidation, manipulation, expansion entry. I'm going to look for the ones that's the most favorable for me, and according to my rules. And then every day I will, every time I take a trade, I will have screenshots and I'll post it, trade 1, trade 2, trade 3, so you can follow along to say this is the day, this was trade 1, this is the time, and these were the reasons, these are the commentary and all of that, so you guys can follow along exactly what was the idea, the thoughts, and yeah, we'll see. Hey, Wes. So yeah, guys, go check it out. 20 trade challenge is there, so have a look at it, and then the results I'll post it, I don't know, maybe once a week. Every Friday I will post what happened. Well, we'll post on the day what happened and how the trades play out, but at the end I'll do a screenshot on what the result is. And then, guys, I think what's also important, not just from my perspective, maybe from you guys as well, to say, listen, we've got to learn through this process as well. What worked, what didn't work. And I'm not going to change the strategy. We're going to stick to the strategy. And but there must be learnings through all of this. I'm just going to do FTMO. And the reason I'm choosing FTMO, there's no time constraints and all of that. I think their rules are the most basic ones. There's no consistency rules and all of that. They do have that, what you call it, that 50% rule, which I didn't know, but now I know. But it's fine. We can work around that. I'm not going to risk 50% of my balance. I'm going to do 0.5% per trade, something to that extent. So yeah, let's have a look. It's a CFD account. I'm not going to stream off the CFD account. We will still do the, I mean, we might talk and do some setups here and there, but I will tell you guys when I take a specific trade on the CFD account, and I will share it so you guys can see it. And then obviously the dashboard from FTMO, I'll share it with you guys and to show you exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to try to be as transparent as possible with this. Yeah, so we're going to have to see where this goes. And I think that the thing that everybody must understand, I'm not perfect. I don't think any trader is perfect, so I'm not going to hit the 100% strike rate on this. I will have losing trades. And I also don't want you guys to think this is an opportunity to get your own funded accounts and try to copy the trades. Maybe the trades, maybe the rules are wrong and we lose the account. So this is education. This is not a quick money make type of thing. So we're going to learn through this. So let's see. Hey, man. And yeah, if you got your own strategy, you want to follow along, feel free to, get your paper trade ready and go through it with me. The way I manage it, all of that. Maybe you've got your own way of managing risk and you want to try and mine out and you get nervous when I do it. This could be a good challenge for you to do the same, just to get a feel for that's the rule, that's what it is. If you get stopped out, and it's it. I mean, the first thing we're going to do every day, we're going to make peace with the fact that this trade can be a losing trade. Simple. If there's 2 losing trades in a day, 0.5%, I cannot be down. When I hit a 1% loss, I can't take any trades till the next day. Simple. But yeah, guys, it's there. Go have a look. If you want me to be clear on some things, just pop it in the chat, and we can talk about it. We've got time between now and Monday, and yeah, we can refine it. Maybe it turns into something great. Maybe it turns out to be a dud. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so equal lows. I saw someone say they got stopped out. Okay, I just got stopped out. Stopped out. Were you short? I'm trying to see. This looks like a long here. I'd like to see some sort of a pullback here. All right, so 15-minute is bullish. So I would not look for any shorts here. The 1 hour is turning bullish right now. And just to show you guys, the 1 hour looks like this. I mean, this is, okay, so I'm not a channel trader, but this looks like a channel to me. All those highs, all those lows. Nice down liquidity. There's liquidity up here, there, and where we are now. So what did we do? We ran liquidity down here, and then we shifted higher. We're about to break structure. So even if we go up here and come back down into this fair value gap, this one, yeah. Oop. And then if you go to your 15 minutes, maybe you take the range here down there into this big I don't know if this is order block, guys. I'm useless with these things. So yeah, if I call something out, you can correct me, and I won't be offended. But that looks like some sort of a block. So we could potentially go in there. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just marking out what I'm seeing, and then in the 1 minute, maybe we want to get to these highs here, but let's see. And there's obviously equal lows right on top of these bigger fair value gap. And then all of that, guys, this is all liquidity. All liquidity. So there's liquidity all way around. So just be careful. I'm looking for longs. But saying all of that, let's go to the 15 minute. This is what I'm going to use in the challenge as well. We broke higher. Red is following. So this candle here was the bullish candle to send price higher. I need a red and a blue to stay above this area here. This, what is it, 89% area. Then the gray must come down to the 11, down here, 11%. And if they turn there, like this one here up there, and as you can see, all right, so this is not the best example because the blue is up there as well. So this was all not good. So you want to see that. If we there, that's when I'm going to switch to a 1 minute. And like almost like what it's doing now. So, but it's, I mean, we're not there yet. So this is a bit flat. So I don't know if I would just take a long. The blue is going into the danger zone there anyway. So got to wait for these things to set up. And that's exactly what I'm going to do when I trade this challenge. So that's what I'm saying to you guys. You guys have seen me. We've done a bunch of trades here and there. And I think now's a good time to show you guys how you should be trading. and not follow every single candle that there is to think there's a trade. So I promise you guys, it might look ugly now, but there will come a time where, I mean, this is a long right here. If you put your stop there, right here, just want to show you, a stop would be there. Your targeted 2R is up there. Didn't get there, got stopped out. So, but but blue is also very extended down. So you got to look for something like this where it's flat and this comes in this area. Then you got some nice momentum in that direction, provided it lines up with the 15-minute. And yeah, so I think what I'm going to show you guys is to trade boring pays. And that's just the way trading goes. I mean, you guys speak to anybody who successfully trades. I'm not talking about YouTubers. I'm talking with people professionally. When they stick to one thing, it's pretty boring because you wait for it, and sometimes it's not there for the whole week. It sets up nice entries, but all the check boxes is not getting ticked, and then it's simple. You just can't do it, and or you should not. And that's where other people get frustrated. It's like, stuff it, I'm going to try it here, and then you lose, and then you try more, and then you lose it more. Before you know it, you're down, and you're just trading to break even, and that's not what you want to do. You want to know, I've done exactly what I was supposed to do with this trade. If it stops me out, so be it. If I'm going to do it again, I can promise you I will be more right than I'm going to be wrong. And it's just a matter of time where the curve will change, and so be it. And then at the end of the day, you got to trust your entry and your trading setups. If you don't trust it, then it's just one of those things. All right, short from that order block at 100. Which one here? This little white. Okay. Okay, that's a nice short. Where would you put your stop? Above what? 112. Da, da, da. Right. Okay, break even's good place to be. Always a good place to be. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so guys, also with the 10K account, if we get it past, if we get our first payout, we'll manage it to get a nice, decent payout. We will take that money, we'll go and buy a bigger account. We'll do the same. We'll see how we can grow this. 987. Sorry, let me see what. Looking to add sign. Okay. 987. You guys confused me with these 987. Oh, 28. All right. Okay, let's see. I think Edges, you sold, guys. You sold. I haven't taken any trades yet. Da, 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 da. 15-minute manipulation. Where do you take the highest manipulation? See, I would have thought, but there's no liquidity. There's a fair value gap here. I would have thought that's, consolidation, manipulation, and look for some sort of expansion. PMI 2 p.m. Right there. Okay. Cool. Let's see. Okay. Okay, someone spoke to Donald. All right, yeah, let's see what he does. I don't know what's going to happen with this oil and all of that. I actually looked at oil to see if there's going to be opportunity to short that and open the gates. I think if you catch that short, you're going to make money very quickly. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let's see. Okay. To take profit there. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this, guys. My setup is not sitting. It's not in here. If this consolidates manipulation higher, breakdown, that's a good entry in that fair value gap. In this one here. Nice short there. That's the old standard. There where it overlaps, that's the entry for the shorts down. I mean, there was no equal lows here, but yeah, so that was a good trade. I wasn't in front of my for this. But so far looking good. All right. Okay, so maybe we still go down there because now there's some like proper support here. I'll be honest, wouldn't even thought of taking a short up here. Maybe here, but not here because this looked like a bit sideways to me. But good for you all who managed to get in at nice tight entries. I'm afraid. Pom, 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 pom. Okay, where to now? So obviously this is very enticing down here because it's on a fair value gap, an hourly fair value gap, nice equal lows, huge magnet for price. Um, right at 50% there. £30. Mhm. Okay, let's see. That's where we gotta go to. This candle here would be nice to be a test. But anyways, let's see. Right, we should get out through there. I'm just wondering, where else would we go? Would we go lower? What would we do? Right. Another stop right there. I think just family gap. See if we can get up there now. That would be nice. Well, you guys got up in there, so which is good. But this would also be a good entry for me. See if we can get it picked up there. Okay, let's see. It was a nice short, man. Okay, let's see if we can close lower here. Okay, market person today is channel trading. Okay, so that obviously doesn't look that great. Okay, let's see. Keep an eye on it. What we can do, right? Alright, so I'm out of that one, and then it will most probably run down now. I just took that trade. Just looked like you know, just stop there to pull back and then go down. Not too worried now. So I'll put my stop there. Could have raised it there, then it was fine. Yeah, it broke the equal lows, but I'm not convinced on a fair value gap like this. You want to get through to 25 or 50% at least if you run liquidity. This to me is fairly still equal lows. I know this one is slightly lower than that one. Oh, one of those things. I mean, I'm not taking a trade now, so it most probably will play out now. I mean, this trade looks more like a pullback into the 15-minute bullishness. Okay, so there we punch into that a little bit lower. So we could go lower here. Trying to see, I mean, it could actually come down all the way here. See, that lines up with the 50%. It's this one here. I'd say we're going to go there. I'm just looking for equal lows. Yeah, on top of a fair value gap. It's not there. I mean, this could also be something. But anyways, let's see. Seven, seven, eight. Yes, it's equal lows down there. I'm just looking at the 50% range first. I mean, if we slice through that, then we'll mark out all those others. FMC tomorrow, guys. I wonder if it will be volatile or what. It will be crazy or not. Lots of liquidity, all of these highs pretty equal there as well. Let's see. Are we gonna do a drop here? Got this fair value gap on the left here as well. If we want to get through all of this, needs to be power behind it. Okay, so pin, close through. Now we're pinning on this side. Or maybe not yet, so let's see. It looks like we want to go lower. Yeah. Okay. A little bit of sideways there. Another pin there to that liquidity pool. All right. All right, what are we going to do? Consolidate a bit here or what? I don't know. Looks like we want to go lower here. But we'll have to wait and see. I mean, I've got this as equal highs right there. Okay, let's see. I wonder if this, yeah, it's going to want to run these two highs here first and then come down. I don't know. Let's see, let's see. Hey there, man. Hope you guys well. Wonder. It's obviously holding price here. I mean, it's consolidating on that liquidity does equal lows. So makes me think I want to go a little bit lower here. I mean, if we can see price run these highs and then sell off, doesn't have to go all the way to those equal highs there. So let's see. Yep. Quickly through that fair value gap. That's what we said earlier. We want to go aggressive through these to slice lower. No good entries for me yet. Fortunately, unfortunately. Yep, 950s. $924. $924. No equal lows. There's the 950s, and we might get through this as well. Down to the 894s, unless we're going to bounce them. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's see. We want to bounce. We're going to lower. Mm-hmm. I think it can come lower, yeah. And this is a good maybe entry area. But let's see. I've got a 981 for a potential short, but let's see. Let's see what this thing's going to do. I'm trying to figure out. Dun, 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 dun. Right now, 50-50 at the 50. What do you mean 50-50 at the 50? What range? 15 minutes, 1 minute? Which range are you talking to? Are you referring to? So if you go to a 15 minutes, let's take this off quick. We could still come down here. If you look at this range here, 50, you can still come lower if it's this one. So I would favor this February gap down here. This one, yeah. Okay, well, let's see what's happening here. Let's see where that range was. It's the range. Right, let's see what this candle does here. Okay, let's see. Right, let's see if this actually want to go lower. I don't know if it's going to get here, but if I get through this, I'll bring my stop to this level here, or the swing point here. Right, let's see. What's it going to be? Obviously, you don't want price to go sideways like this, because that tells me you might want to pop higher. You want to see price go down immediately, not do what it does now. So, but it's fine. Take it on the chin. That's what it wants to do, then it's fine. I'll take it out. Yeah, this is going sideways. Not ideal. Hey man, good on you. Any good trades today? Hey guys, just to chat about it again. Go check out the Discord. I've created this what you call it. I don't even know if you call it the channel or what you call it. For the 20 trade challenge that starts on Monday. Go read up on it, and yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think we need to be more clear on something? But yeah, go have a look. It's a challenge I'm going to do. I'm going to do a prop challenge, and I'm going to stick to rules, very very specific and all of that. And we're going to see how it goes if you stick to rules. The main thing about this is to show you guys you can start with a small account. You need a trading plan. If you got a rule-based, plan, what you're going to do, how you're going to execute. Emotions should be controlled, and you shouldn't be all over the place trying to trade every single candle there is, but looking for specific things. I'm going to break it down. I'll post all the trades. I'll be very transparent on it. So have a look at it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think. Not on this account. This account's a paper trade account that you guys see me trade here. So on that, statistically for me, my trading on the FOMC week, I'm either break even or I end up losing. So not trading any live funds this week. So yeah, just so you know. But from Monday, I'm gonna trade a prop account, and yeah, I'll go check it out on the Discord, and you'll go check it out. I mean, the minute this candle went a little bit sideways, yeah, I knew that's just going to be the bounce up there. And but I do still think we, in order to go higher, we want to see price into this area down here. I know there's a fair value gap there, and it literally bounced off that now. So okay, so we've still got these equal highs right here. Okay, so the 1 minute seems like turning a little bit bullish now. 15-minute is still bullish. And to give you guys an example, all right, so this is a 1 hour fair value gap, and then we've got minor fair value gaps, lines up with the 50% on the 1 hour as well. And just to take you guys through it, this is the type of thing. This is the type of thing I'm looking for. The red and the blue is not at the 98 or 89% yet. Be good if it could be tucked in there. But then the turn here at 11%. Once I see that, that's when I turn to the 1 minute. And I want to see a similar movement there. So we are busy breaking through. So what I need is the red and the blue line to be up here, and then the gray line form the same little thing here. and that's where it might be a shift and a pullback, and I would look for that pullback to take a trade. I will have a conservative stop loss and a risk on 1-to-1 R. And within that pullback, I'll look for a little bit of a aggressive entry on a swing point to take out between 2 and 4 R on that trade. That's basically what it is. But the principles will be the same: consolidation, manipulation, expansion, pull back into for a long into a discount, look for fair value gaps. But I'm going to trade those when everything else is lining up. And at the 15-minute, this was the bounce area on the 15-minute. So I took a short, or tried a short here. Push, pullback, and expected some sort of a move down. I know we didn't in this consolidation, didn't run any manipulation up here. I know there's equal highs there, but just to show you guys, if I follow the strategy, I would never have taken the shorts. This was not up there. It needs to be crossed like this, up there, but the blue is in the wrong place. And that will keep me out of trades. This is also not, this is a 50-50 trade, because the red is below the danger zone, but blue is right at the 50%, and we literally cross at that. So that would have played out, but like I said, 50-50. And that's how I'm going to be trading this prop account from next week. And that's going to probably result in not trades every day. But yeah, come follow along and see how we do it. I'm also going to post, obviously, in Discord the updates, the breakdowns, and all of that. So make sure you stick around for those. Okay, so the 1 minute is in sync with the 15-minute now. So normally I would take this 10-point scalps here. Boom, and expect that expansion into that. Can't take a trade up here. Right, so this is now pretty equal as well. So let's see. Pull down into this area. Little fair value gap if it forms. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if we can get into this. Just a pop lower to that 50%. Right. Now we're targeting this equal all these highs. I mean, we could actually extend it. Not saying we're going to get there, but see if we can manage it. From here. I'm just wondering now if this actually wants to come to 50% of this, which is down here. Oh gosh, I just saw that now. That's fine. Okay, I'm out of that trade as well. 3 for 3. What in the world? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not in sync with anything yet today. I mean, I took this trade here. I put this trade here. I put my stop not at the high, just a bit lower, just attacked, and then we got down to where we wanted to. Just got stopped here, and now get stopped there. So. Hey guys, hey there. Okay, looking for buys. I'm not looking for anything. We ran that, so this could potentially be, like I said, the right place for a buy. Put your stop down here. Let's see it just pinch into that. Let's do it. Let's take a 5 there. Stop down here. TP. Let's see. Don't know if we're going to get there, but let's just mark it in. And I mean, if I get liquidated now again, then I don't know. Let's see if we can bounce here. Yeah, it was a bit of a silly trade there. I should have known better to look at the bigger range. I've always looked at bigger range. So I don't know why I thought that was good enough. Okay, buyers, but main plan sell. Now you're confusing me. Okay. Look, that's why I don't trade my own money during this time, guys, because as you guys can see, obviously not good at this weeks like this. Mm-hmm. I mean, I would have thought, but 1 minute is obviously got other plans. Maybe wants to run these lows first. These ones here. That's insane. Okay, so that's IFG right there. $9.24. These ones here. Oh gosh, guys. Right, well, good. Good for you, man. You should do absolutely the opposite I'm doing now. You will my stop loss is out. Entered on the IVG. What IVG did you get stopped out? I thought you took the short here. That's fine. Let the market do what it wants to do. But next week coming, it's got to be ready because it's not going to be able to catch me. I need to apologize. Gosh. Okay, so now you want to go to where I said we should go. Just stop me out a couple of times and then we go there. Okay. That's fine. Okay, let's see. All right. But up and down, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we basically ran that now. We inversed this Fibonacci gap and now we back above it. Yeah, this probably looks like a buy. We're like running slingshot up, slingshot down. But I do think we might want to do something, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Yep, we need to get down to this Fibonacci gap down here. But let's see. I can tell you I've entered on all the bounces today. Everywhere I entered, bounces stopped me out. Cheers, man. Cheers. Not for everybody, just for HSU. Cheers, man. See you tomorrow. So we did run in this fairly gap, run those highs, close, not fully close, but looks like a push. Like I mean, it's all over the place. I can't tell you, I mean, this inverse back, that's not ideal. Tells me it's a bit sloppy price. I'm going to try to explain sloppy prices. I mean, we've got equal highs up here, so I would have thought we will bounce here to go higher. And then we thought we're going to take that and we stopped. Then we, yeah, just struggling. But it's fine. Let's see. Let's just be patient and see, guys. That's it. Yeah, that's right. Weekly fair value gap. Which is lower, yes. That line over there. But let's see now. I mean, tomorrow's FOMC, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be fun to see where price wants to go then. Okay. Okay, so I want to buy after the loads. Right, so now we're inversing this fair value gap again. So now let's see if we want to get up there. Gosh. It's like seesawing here. So to run liquidity once more to go. Now it looks like it wants to go lower again. Oh gosh, guys. All in on the buy. Gosh, I don't even know if that's the right move. Maybe you guys are right with this buy. I'm looking at it and I'm saying, oh, we're going up, down, up, down. So what do we do? So we are on 35, 15 minutes away on the macro. It's going to be 10-2. And then we'll see either nothing happens or we'll see a nice big candle. See, now we're inversing that fair value gap again. So I don't even call it something. Because I don't know what you call a fair value gap that gets inversed 1, 2, 3 times. Oh, making me tired watching this, not doing anything. It's called Iran. Yes. Okay. Macro, that's it. Free use fair value gap. Free use. I've got another word, another something for it, but I won't mention it. Because it's mind-boggling. I mean, the rule is when you start inverting fair value gap twice, then you just, my rule is just walk away. Don't even try to figure it out. Just walk away. Okay, let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay. Wait for it. Why is it not updating? Back down there. What in the world? Come here, zone. Yeah, something like that. Right, so now we've inversed this fair value gap once, bounced back twice. I don't know what it wants to do now. And when it's like this, then it's best to do nothing. Oh, just to sit and wait and see. And okay, let's see. Come on, show us something. I don't know. Okay, if I went conservative, we would have hit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try. I mean, sometimes I think my stops are tight. It works. It works for me, but today doesn't work for me. But conservative is it's a good way. Well, I don't know if the 15-minute is bearish yet, and I'll tell you why. So we pushed up here, so I think this could be a bounce here to maybe go back up here, unless we just slice down here. I'm looking at it this way. So we've been bearish, 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 and now for the first time we bounce higher, taking the highs out, and now we could come back down and then go higher and go higher. That's what I think. I think the short term is bearish, but I do think this is just trying to sell off to that to go higher. But what do you know? Let's see. Okay. I can't take a short here. I should have taken it up here. And let's look at this. Nice, 50%. Even if you took a short here, $2R would have been around here. Even if you've gone down here, you'll get more. I mean, that's conservative, right? But if you ended up here, then that would look like this. Then you would get like 1.5. And the only reason I'm looking at this is that's the candle, wick up, close below, inverse a little gap. That could have been an entry. I don't know. But that's after the fact, guys. I don't take any trades here. We stuck here like we were stuck there. So, who knows, who knows, who knows. I mean, for me to take a short here, gosh. What is ruling you out of the shorts? I mean, there's nothing. I mean, this. We haven't run these equal highs here, and I don't have a clear structure to look at here to say, oh, that's it. Here, on the other hand, we ran to equal highs. We've got a swing, so it was aggressive up, aggressive down, and immediately pull back into an area. That was a good short. And we would have been in that short to here. Here, if I look at price here, I'm like, where the hell would you enter? I mean, this was a 50% retracement. It's ugly as hell. We're holding this fair value gap. I don't know. It's not fitting together for me. If these equal highs were ran with this up candle and a nice black candle sliced through with a fair value gap here, and we went tested, that would be good trade. So, and I mean, I know 15 minutes still want to get here to bounce from. Possibly, it might actually slice through and sell off again. But it's not clean. It's not clean at all for me. And even if we, sell off here, even this leg here, it's like a bunch of stupid candles. Now we get a bunch of stupid candles again. There's no clear. I know that's a structure break. Okay, so where are you going to get up to this fair value gap here? No, we don't. We print wiki small candles and we go down. Then I can't trade here. I need to wait for price to get back up here. And then I'm looking at it and I'm like, hey, we keep pinning through these lows. Are we going? Are we staying? What the hell's happening? Okay. Slice through. Geez, I don't even know where I mentioned slice through now, but it's always good if you've got something in front of you. You want to see price aggressively slice through it. So basically go through it quickly and close on the other side. Don't do like this. So that's not slicing through. Something that's aggressive through it. That's a slice through, but then we bounce again. So I think if this in 2 minutes, I probably think we're gonna maybe bounce from this area up, possibly. Slice through is just momentum, big momentum, quick, aggressive, not sitting around consolidating, doing nothing. And also when I look at this, I also always look for consolidation, manipulation. I mean, this was consolidation, manipulation, expansion, pullback, entry, and continuation. Yeah, I've got consolidation, manipulation, splash, nothing. Just continue going. All right, let's look at it. Enter. All right. All right, so right, we're 1 minute. I'll check the Discord chats. A minute. I want to see what happens here. What do you guys think? Pin up, or just slice through, or just nothing? Okay, let's see. I'm watching this area. Let's see if we're gonna do it. 1-0. Do it. Now you must come test this first before you go up. Yeah, more. Okay. Ah, man, you must dig in. Dig in. I don't know if we'll get the push higher to get to this up here, but I mean, this is consolidation, maybe manipulation, but now you want to see, because this is all consolidation, this whole little whatever that is. Don't know. See, I can't take trades on pins like this because this will happen. Doom. Maybe this is scalp. Let's see. It's too small for a scalp, actually. Discard. Let's see. Just screwing around, guys. I'm just seeing if there's a scalp for a bounce. If it's not there, it's not there. So okay, well, looks like there was. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off. All I can say, guys, thanks for for sitting with me, watching me do whatever was done today. I think today was a bit messy, but go check out the 20 trade challenge that I've put on Discord. Give me your feedback. Do you want me to be more specific on certain things? Feel free to let me know, or just go like that post and keep an eye on it, because we are going to start on Monday, and I will post every detail as transparent as can be there, and we'll see what happens. Guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the AM session. Take care. Have a good day. And thanks again for joining in. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.